Would you mind if we hear it? You can open it up for us? In the building. What's good, y'all? Today we back here with another car review. We got a special one, an Integra. All right, pulling up. I'm gonna have him pull over right here. Golly. What's up, bro? You can pull right down one of those spaces. Y'all take a look. I'm not gonna lie, that Integra body kit is just something special, bro. Something special, but and it sounds so good. All right, so y'all, we in for a special treat. If y'all have not gone to go see my Tech Wavy video, y'all, all right, y'all please make sure y'all go watch that one. Perfect, like y'all, the energy he brought to that video, perfect. He was just everything. The car was everything. Car was clean, nice setup and everything. All right, so y'all, this is what we're doing today. All right, so that being said, if y'all new to the channel, please make sure y'all subscribe, turn on that post notification bell. Let's get right into this video. Alright, man, take a ride in this great of a build. So I'm gonna let you know I got some controversial questions and I got some easy questions. Which ones you want to start with first? Sure. Whichever ones. Alright, so look, so first and foremost, tell me the difference between the Honda Integra and the Acura NSX. Like, give me like, or give, you know, me and my viewers like the clear, like, what does it mean?
One's rear wheel drive and one's front wheel drive.
Oh well, yeah, the Honda is front wheel drive. So do you prefer, when you bought this model, did you prefer doing this one over the
I didn't know what I'd pick.
Oh, you didn't?
I don't know if it was front or rear.
Oh, okay. Honestly, I like this body style, bro. I like it. First and foremost, I'm gonna go ahead and start you off with this one, okay? How you feel about, there's a new thing going around about wheels and coils not being a build. How do you feel about that? Like, about that phrase, wheels and coils are not a build?
I don't know. It's a different type of build.
Yeah. Well, no, I'm not talking about your build in general. I'm just saying, like, a lot of people be judging a lot of other people's builds, and they're like, oh, well, that's not a build because it's only wheels and coils. So it's like, I don't really understand. Like,
you gotta start off somewhere.
Yeah.
Depends on what you're trying to go for.
Yeah. I feel that.
Or drag or rally or time attack, downforce.
Yeah.
Some people do a lot more than shows parts or engine builds.
Yeah. And then as far as like, there's another thing going on as far as reps in the car scene. How do you feel about reps of being in the car scene? Like, as far as your personal experience, like, is that something that you despise, or is that something that you like? Oh yeah, I don't really care. Like,
It's on the person's budget, I guess.
Yeah.
Whatever, if they really want better wheels or replicas, they're wheels and wheels.
Yeah. That's all that matters. Hey, if it matters to you, then it don't matter to nobody else.
Some of them were built stronger than others.
Yeah.
Different types of material that the rim was made out of.
Okay.
Some of them are aluminum, some of them
Yeah, alloy wheels, and then aluminum wheel. Yeah. And then as far as how did you get into the car scene? Like, what did you like? What got you into like? Oh, I want to start building cars.
My father worked on cars, and then I worked on cars with him as a kid, and I didn't even know what car I picked, and then I just started throwing
Parts and
parts
stuff.
and stuff to it.
What would be the most exquisite thing about your car?
What do you mean,
Like, so, like, what would you say would be the best thing about your car? What would what would be the best and the worst thing that you like about your car?
The best thing I like about it is it feels like I'm driving OEM suspension.
Yeah.
The BC coilovers.
You know, BCs?
Yes.
Okay. Alright.
And I had, when I bought the car, I had Racelands. I didn't like how they felt, but I think they were already blown.
Yeah.
When I got the car.
Okay. And I know that you had informed me like before, this is actually your second build. The first one was in an accident.
I crashed it,
Yeah, okay, so, and then you basically, took parts off of that one and put it into this one?
Yeah.
Okay. Being a part of the car community, what would you say would be the best and the worst thing that you like about the car community?
The best part that I like is people come up to you and they ask questions about your car.
Yeah.
And then the second, the first thing is there's people that are assholes and they don't care. They're just there to
Yeah.
just do bullshit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Building this car, did you build it more for like speed or style?
Speed.
Speed?
Yeah.
So how much are you pushing as far as horsepower?
200.
200 horsepower?
Yeah.
That's not bad though.
Not bad.
And it sounds good. With it being a Honda, with it being like 200 horsepower, it sounds good with it being a Honda as well. A lot of people have the perception of Hondas being clapped out, okay? But with yours being a Honda Integra, it sounds completely amazing. Do you get a lot of attention in your car? You have a lot, like driving down the street, you got people taking pictures of it, people, talking to you on the road, saying how good your car looks and stuff. Do you have a lot of people doing that?
I have had some people ask me about my car, but not like look at me because I'm not really paying attention around me. I have had people ask, and then I have had two people ask me how much I would sell this car.
Have you thought about that?
No. Well, yeah, but then I don't want to sell.
You don't want to. Okay, if there was a case where you did want to sell it, how much would you think this would go for?
I would sell it probably for like $13,000 or $14,000.
That's not bad. What have you gotten done to it so far?
K-tune lower control arms, K-tune tie rods, K2482 swap, 8th gen Civic S9 transmission, BC coilovers, what's it called? Cosmic Racing camber arms in the rear, K-tune shifter cables, action
like looked up to, or that maybe have had an Integra, or just influenced you to get into the car scene that you may have watched?
No. I really saw the car on Facebook Market, and my first car, the one that I grabbed, I liked it, and I didn't even know what it was.
Yeah. And you had just bought it because it was a coupe. Yeah, it was a coupe just like this one.
Yeah.
But this one you drove about like 2 hours to go get.
This one's 2 hours. The other one, I think 2 hours as well.
Okay.
Maybe an hour.
All right. For somebody trying to build an Integra, right? Something that what would be something that maybe you didn't know when you first started, but now you know now that you would tell them to like be conscious of?
Constant power steering leaks. That's about it.
Really? Is that only for Integras, or is that also for the RSX as well? Or
That's
just
only for the RSX. I don't know about the
other
Integras yet.
Sure. All right. Well, look, I want to thank you for your time. All right, thank you for allowing me to come out, giving our people the time to come and do a review on your car. All right. If we could, would you mind if we hear it? You could open it up for us. I ain't never heard 200 horsepower sound so good, bro. I ain't even gonna lie to you. I ain't even gonna lie. That sound good, bro.
Yeah.
That sound good. Well, look, hey, y'all make sure y'all please go. Hey, would you like to shout your Instagram for the people to go follow?
Integra boy.
Integra boy. All right, y'all make sure y'all go follow my boy on Instagram. All right.
Integra period
boy. Okay, Integra period. Integra period. Boy. Okay, so B-O-I-I. 2 eyes or 3 eyes?
2 eyes.
2 eyes. All right, 2 eyes. All right. So hey, y'all make sure y'all go follow him. All right. Thank y'all for watching this video. All right, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.